Here's another nice looking OBS Ford. This is a 1995 F250 Power Stroke 7.3. Another one that unfortunately we did not get a chance to get a video before it sold. We posted this truck up and basically it sold right away, just like the last one. So not to be a teaser, but we at least had to post some pictures and video. This one's getting ready to go to Northern Virginia area, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So it sold reasonably local. The customer had been looking all over, and most of the ones he looked at were absolutely not as described. This particular one, the previous owner was a customer of ours, and we did a 4-inch BDS suspension on it. New tires and wheels. This was a very rust-free vehicle, as you can see from the rockers. Hopefully the sun's not glaring too much. We did an upgraded exhaust. Needed a starter, some service. I think we did an air intake. Gooseneck ball in the back. Dual tank truck, both tanks work. Coolest part of this one was, or the rarest part of this one was, manual transmission. Yep, 5-speed manual trans. A couple things we didn't even get a chance to finish sitting in the back. Some headlights and a new grille. A little wear on the steering wheel, but seat was in good shape. Interior is pretty good. Power windows, power door locks. We did go into the doors and need a couple clips to make the locks and the grease the power windows up, make sure everything was working fine on that. Just trivial little things, but it's the little touches that matter. Thankfully we've got staff on hand that can accommodate these things, and they were the only few little things we had to do. This truck's still a we did a water pump and a couple hoses. Still a twin traction beam truck. It could surely be upgraded to a solid axle pretty easily, but still a twin traction beam. We did the adjustments in the ball joints and the eccentrics to get the alignment right. One of the places most people lack when they do one of these trucks, to make sure everything's good. As you can see, the tires sit nice and true like they're supposed to. Even though it's been backed into the parking space, it normally frowns a little bit. These tires are sitting nice and proper, and it does have a true alignment. Not all chopped up, clears the tire good. 35-inch tire on a 20-inch wheel. Cab lights, straight body. Hopefully we'll have some more. It was two of them back to back, two nice OBS trucks that left out of here. Extended cab long bids this week. 4x4 7.3 Power Strokes. So stay in touch, we'll have others. Click to subscribe. Watch our inventory on our website, davis4x4.com. That's davis4x4.com. Call us anytime at 804-271-0030. Happy to accommodate you. Another one that just rolled out. Getting ready to wash it up so the man can pick it up. Nice little HD Chevy. Some fresh Chevrolets on the front. Shuttle bus that just sold. There's the website, telephone number. Look us up, check us out anytime. We'll keep on bringing you some unique inventory. Thanks for watching.